What is the best AI video generator? Why does it feel so illegal to use? Because it's the best one around. Here's why. Here's the best faceless AI video generator or text-to-video generator using AI software called Syllaby. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some key insights of how Syllaby works and how it has become the best faceless AI generator software out there to create faceless videos. You can use these videos in your business, you can use this in any profession that you like, or you can use it as a side hustle and generate leads through your content through social media platforms. If you're tight for time for this video for right now, that's okay. I'm going to walk through how to create a faceless video very quickly. Check this out. We go up to here to the very top. Now we can either create an avatar video or a faceless video. I'm going to go ahead and create a faceless video. Now what it'll do is it'll take us into the section where we get to pick the style that we want to work with. There's lots of different styles here: black and white, comic book, retro. Two of the most popular ones, I believe, are, let's see, there's quite a few, as I said, and you can see them all up here, are the pop art, the Blockify for sure, because if you look over here, you can see that it's like Lego setup. You can go for pencil drawing. That is really cool. Another one that we've used is, let's see, where are we at? Is the horror fantasy, the Greek mythology. The one that I prefer the most is hyperrealism. So that's the one we're going to pick today for this faceless video. So we've selected it here. Now we get to pick the language. There's quite a lot of languages in here, so pick what you want. Subtitles, you can either take them off. I actually like working with the subtitles in here, but you can always add them over here in the video editor later on. We have a voice that we've set up that we're going to use. We are going to pick our video length, so you can pick under 1 minute for a short, 1 to 3 for a short, but then you can also do long form videos between 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5, and 5 to 10. The other thing is this advanced options. This is really cool. I love it. Is you can change where the subtitles are. You can change the color. You can change the type of animation. I like highlight, I like fade, and I like karaoke. You can add music. Sorry, let me just select that again. You can add music, you can add sound effects, animation styles, you can change the fade. This is a fade that it just drops away. And then now you can actually upload a watermark, which is really cool. But for today, I'm just gonna make it this. So it's gonna ask us what kind of topic do we wanna focus on. Either we wanna create a custom script, it's already been given to us, have the AI script assistant write it for us. You can pick URL to video. You can go to a page and the content will be pulled from the page, the blog, or the article, and it gets converted into a video. And then audio to video. If you have an audio transcript, you can also translate it over. So check this out. I'm going to use the AI script assistant, and today we're going to be using this just to create a script. So let's just, in terms of one of our clients, it's dating. So dating advice for, I just got to type it better, for over 30. And it's going to cost us a credit or so. It doesn't take too long to do, and it's going to create this story for us. If I like the script, here's the script. And you could definitely do a better prompt than that, like what you might be doing in ChatGPT, but this is the one you want to do. This is the script. I'm going to leave it the way that it is, and I'm just going to say generate video. Watch this. I generate the video. It's going to do it, and as it's doing it, Syllaby actually comes up with 5 other preset ideas, or ideas that it pulled off your one video to say, would you like to create another one? So if I was doing the dating advice for over 30, I would probably do this, why dating over 30 feels like high stakes. So I'm going to do that one as well. And that's going to create a second video for me right now with a script. So as we're waiting, this is now the new one. The current one is being done. This is the new one, why dating over 30 feels like high stakes. So we're going to do that as the AI assistant. We're going to ask it to generate a script just for that one. So I've created 2 videos in under like a minute at this point, and we're going to say generate video. And for this time, I'm just going to go back to the dashboard because I could stay here forever because they always have really good ideas. I love it. It's all AI generated, but here, let's go back to the dashboard. And we're just going to sit here and wait. I'm just going to pause the video. To get the free trial to this awesome software, check out the link down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Put it in the comments. So here's our video that took about 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and look inside of it by clicking inside of it. Right there. Okay, so here's the video that they created for us. And notice we didn't do anything other than give it a script or an idea for a script. It wrote the script, we approved it, and it went through. You'll also notice that this is all photos and images that have been created by AI. We can change this into motion and other formats. We can even upload our own images and our own videos. And just like that, we have a video that's ready to be published and put up on social media. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you want to check out the full tutorial on how to use Syllaby and all of its functions all the way through and more in-depth features, go ahead and check out this video right